Boom! So we are at ES Motor, and today is a big shoot, yeah? Today for me is going to be a big shoot because we're going to be filming a Lamborghini Urus, lamb truck like they call it. This thing is absolutely insane, yeah? It's just absolutely ridiculous, bruv. Check this out. Boom! Lamb truck, like they call it. I don't actually know where this car is from. I feel like it's from Dubai, but the number plates, I don't know. I think it's from somewhere else. Because the reason why I think it's from Dubai is because the windows are just absolutely tinted, front and back here. And obviously, you know, in like hot countries and really sunny countries, obviously that helps. So Dubai is one of the places that I've seen, you know, a lot of these type of cars, you know, with a lot of what do you call it, with the tints being so dark. But yeah, man, I don't really know. But the plan for this is to make a nice reel for ES Motor, and yeah, man, obviously because I do the social media and stuff. But now this thing is absolutely sick. It sounds absolutely awesome as well. But yeah, so the plan is take the car for a quick dyno run, see what power's pushing. I think the car is done. Tuning wise, I think there's a few bit more of cosmetic things that needs to be sorted out in the car. But obviously, tuning wise is sorted out. But now we just have to put on a dyno and then a little bit of cosmetic, like I said, that needs to be done. And then that's it, it's ready to go. I believe it's going tomorrow, but we're not sure because obviously the cosmetic things that needs to be done on it. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a good day. Come along with me. Let's make a sick video. Got the camera gear ready down there. So you got the camera, you got the gimbal there. So literally what I'm doing right now is just waiting for the lamb truck to arrive. Chris has gone to put some fuel in it. In case you guys are wondering who Chris is the guy that was in the recent video of the Cayenne, which is parked up there. So he's going to get some fuel in the car. He's gonna come back and then boom, we're gonna jump in. First location is fuel tuning because we need to put the car on a dyno. I need to film that. And then we're gonna come back and then I'm gonna take the car, the lamb truck, and take it to somewhere like a rough terrain sort of vibe sort of thing to get some B-rolls of that, and then so I can sit here into the video, and then we're gonna come back and then talk to Chris about the car and all of that stuff. And then yeah, I think it's gonna be a good day. Right, so lamb truck has arrived. Thing is loud and purling. Mad. Open the door. Open the door, G. Alright, cool. Let me get my stuff. Alright. Get this bad boy in. Lambo truck, yeah? Lamb truck. Guys, if you were wondering what it feels like to be in the passenger seat in the back of a lamb truck, this is it, bruv. We're literally living the dream. Boom! So we are in the back of a Urus, a lamb truck. You get me? Sheesh! It's so dark in here, I don't know if you guys can see me, but bro, you know what? It is what it is, bro. Bro, we got Chris. Man like Chris, what you telling me, G? Piloting this beast, yeah? Sheesh! Bro, look at this thing, cuzzy. Haha, Chris, you know what to do. Downshift it and just take it away. Yeah. Come on, cuzzy. Sheesh! Bro, the mad thing, you know, mad thing, cuzzy.
You lost the mark.
Yo, Chris, this is some naughty settings, bro. You know that? Oh, the downshifts, man. God damn. Bro, it almost sounds like a drum, like a bass drum, like boom. It's crazy. We're here, pure tuning, to get this thing on the dyno. As you can see, the dyno is right there. Gonna get this on the dyno. It's gonna be a mad thing. But yeah, this thing looks awesome, man. In the light and in the sun, it looks absolutely insane as well, man. It looks so sick. The wheels, the green calipers, bruv, this thing looks bad. Downpipes, tune. Wow. I can't wait to see what this actually produces on the flipping dyno, man. But now this thing is absolutely insane, bro. It's so sick, man. But yeah, we're gonna get on the dyno. I got my camera inside and the gimbal ready to get some shots of this as well, because they're gonna be doing a reel. And yeah, man, it's gonna be a flipping fun day, man. Let's get it. Right, what I'm doing now is just getting like B-roll shots of the Pro Tuning logo so I can add that into the clip. I just had to get the settings right for the gimbal. The car is officially on the dyno now. Obviously you got me here with my big ass gimbal setup to get the shots. So I'm gonna do a quick few shots of the car on the dyno, and then obviously when we do the run, then I'll get some shots as well. So I'm gonna go low swung for this. I really wanted to get a video of it actually going onto the dyno, but unfortunately wasn't able to do that. Wasn't able to capture it quick enough, but it's all good. I'm just setting my CPO. Right, first shot. Try that shot again. It's like a reveal shot. Let's give it a little bit of a zoom. And focus it on the light, the rear lights. Yeah, that's sick, beautiful. Right. Right, let's just get one more shot of the exhaust, because I don't want to get too many shots of the car and the dyno, because the actual reveal shot is going to be done somewhere else. So there's not actually any point of me getting too much. All I want to do is just get a shot of it on the dyno spinning, that's it. But while I'm here, might as well just get a little satin, just in case I need it. I probably won't need it, but just in case, you never know. Okay. Just get that shot one more time. Literally just gonna wait for it to go on the dyno. Well, it's being strapped on the dyno at the moment, so literally gonna wait for that. And when we start doing the run, then I get a few shots of the run. And then yeah, man. But now the car looks absolutely sick though. Right, looks like the car's on a dyno. She's loud. bit, boys. That was absolutely insane. The sound of this thing is absolutely nuts. Wow. I just went and got a shot of the front of the wheel spinning. See if I can get a shot from the front here. Oh my days. I'm so sorry guys, I'm not talking too much, but I want to concentrate and get this shot, man, because there is a video that I have up on my social at the moment that I really want to compete with. I want to make sure this video absolutely smashes that video out of the park, yeah? This is why I'm concentrating to get the maddest shots ever, bro. And believe me, this video is gonna be sicker than the other one, bro. Bro, that's my mission, bro. Make this video so good that you see the other one compared to this one, and you'll think, you know what, holy crap, this video looks absolutely bad. So yeah, it's gonna be a mad thing. I'll probably get one more run of the back, and then I'll get an interior shot of what's going on inside. Yeah, 849 brake horsepower, bro. That is absolutely insane. This car is a weapon, bro, yeah? 849 brake horsepower. I actually had an RSQ8 on here, I think a couple of days ago that I filmed, and that made about 755 brake. That was meant to be up to 800 brake. And yeah, this is crazy. Yeah?
That's the best run of all.
What, 971?
881.
Oh, 881.
Yeah, the other one, it got hot, so it went down.
Right.
Don't show that one, show this one. I'm going to do it again.
Right. Was they going to come up with that number?
No, not yet.
Ah, right.
But make it zoom into it, I'll have it
Yeah?
now.
Right.
If you're running with it, just go to the gears and put back to the bottom of it, and then we'll video it.
Yeah? Right. One sec. That was absolutely insane. My whole body was just full of smoke, yeah? Because of the amount of smoke coming out of this thing, yeah? But mate, this thing is absolutely insane, bro. Absolutely insane. The car is officially off the dyno. This thing looks absolutely insane, man. I keep saying it every single time, man. This thing looks so flipping sick, bro. But yeah, man, again, big up to Pure Tuning, bro. They do the maddest stuff ever. 881 brake horsepower and 1,000 and something Newton meters of torque. Absolutely insane, man. This thing's a weapon, bro. Weapon. But yeah, we're gonna pack up. We're gonna get back to ES Motor. All right, little break. Come up to KFC with the boys, get some food in that, because it's been a long day at Pure Tuning, bro. Long days. Nice and cool in here, actually, I can't lie. All right, boys, KFC, got in. Now back into the whip, into the AC cooled whip, thank you, bro. And yeah, head back to ES, eat, and then, yeah, man. But yeah, today's been an absolute mission, man. What are you saying, Chris? Absolute mission, man. But we're gonna fill up, and then yeah, it's gonna be a mad thing.